So let's continue then, guys. And now we have in number, then we have in number four, right? In the same page. We have, listen, then we have, guys, that we have a chart, yes? And we are comparing three things, right? And which are the three things
Planet.
comparing here?
Venom, Earth, and Jupiter.
Yes, of course. We have planets, right? Yes, if that belongs to the solar system, right? And then what we have in Venus, sorry,
Carbon dioxide and nitrogen.
Angels. And what we have on Earth,
Nitrogen and oxygen.
oxygen.
okay, good. And what we have in Jupiter,
Hydrogen and
helium.
helium.
And helium.
yes, of course. So what we have to do, could you please read the instruction of number 4, Diego Amador, please?
Compare. The chart shows the main idea gases in the atmosphere of 3 planets. How is Earth's atmosphere? Similar to the atmosphere of the other planets. How is
Okay,
different?
so we're going to compare where we live, that is on Earth, right, with the other 2 planets, right? About the gases, right? And how they are similar. How they are similar. How they
With
are,
nitrogen. Nitrogen.
with
With
whom?
nitrogen.
With whom?
Most are non-living things.
Sorry? How we're talking about just the gases, right? How they are similar and how they are different, right? Air, we can say that air has nitrogen as whom? As which of whom?
As Venus.
As Venus. So that's the first comparison, right? Earth has nitrogen as Venus, right? And we will look for comparison between them. One and one similarity and one difference, right? Yes, you finish?
Yes.
And which is the difference we can find about Earth and the other planets?
The carbon dioxide, oxygen, and helium.
No. Difference.
Earth
Andrea Garit.
Jupiter, Earth do not have helium like
Can you repeat again, please, Andrea?
Earth didn't have helium like Jupiter.
Okay, but there is something that is really important, guys, in this part. That this thing or this gas just exists on Earth. Which is this gas?
Oxygen.
Okay, oxygen. So the other comparison is that only Earth has oxygen, right?
For
Only Earth has oxygen.
how do you, Mr. For why the other planets not have oxygen?
No, so that is not possible to live in other planets, right? That's why.
I think was I go to Venus and not cows not have oxygen.
Let's continue then. We finished that page, right? Finish that page? Yes. So guys, let's continue then, right? I'm gonna show you again the presentation. And then after atmosphere, what we have.
Hydrosphere.
So let's go please to the next page and tell me what we have in the next page.
Hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere, right? So now we are going to talk. We talked already about the atmosphere, right? And what we find in the atmosphere, tell me, Miguel Ávila. Miguel Ávila? what we find in the atmosphere?
What, mister?
What can we find in the atmosphere?
I read.
No. What we find in the atmosphere? What can we find in the atmosphere? Miguel, acabamos de discutir eso, Miguel. If you don't know, that it means that you're not paying.
Atmosphere or hydrosphere?
No, in the atmosphere. I'm asking you to Miguel Avila because I'm noticed that he's not paying attention. No, Miguel, please tell me. Lo acabamos de discutir. ¿Qué podemos encontrar en the atmosphere? ¿Qué encontramos en the atmosphere, Miguel? You don't know, Miguel?
I know.
Vean, what can we find in the atmosphere? Vean.
Thunders, carbon dioxide, and oxygen.
Yes. Okay, let's continue then. Let's continue. And Miguel, please pay attention. Wake up. Okay, so now I'm going to ask for Maria Jose to read this part, please. Now we have in the hydrosphere, right?
Yes. All the water of Earth make up the hydrosphere. In hydrosphere, cover a little less than 3/4 of Earth.
Okay, so now, as simple as that, guys. Everything that we find, right? All the body waters that we can find on Earth are part of the hydrosphere, right? And which are the body water we can find on Earth? Which one are the body waters we have?
Ocean.
Oceans, rivers, lakes, okay? All the water that we find on Earth are part of the hydrosphere, right? And here we have a fact that is really important, right? That the hydrosphere less than, right, of Earth's surface, half of the hydrosphere is ocean water, right? Okay, most of the part, right, of the water we have on Earth are part of the ocean, right? So now, on page 213, right, as well, we have an exercise, yes? We have number 5, yes? We have number 5. And then we have, could you please, Glennis, read number 5?
Predict. Describe what Earth would be like if the hydrosphere covered only 25% of its surface.
Okay, so what would happen? Predict, right? Predict what would happen if Earth, right?
Mister,
Okay.
voy a ir al baño.
Okay, now we're in class, Dennis. Okay, let's answer this question and then we will continue. Hurry up. It means that what would happen if we have less water than the one that we have on Earth? What would happen if we have less water?
How do you say sequía in English?
Okay, you could be like this, or right? Right? What would happen? Let's write what would happen.
They not our water
Okay, Ángeles.
To take a bath.
Okay, Ángeles.
Yes, mister.
Okay, did you raise your hand?
No.
Okay, so what would happen, guys, if we have less water? We wouldn't have, okay, don't have, right? It's just an example. We wouldn't have, or we wouldn't have, right, enough water for all the living things, right? So that's the answer, right? I need you to think a little bit, guys. I won't be providing the answer the whole time, right? So if we have less water, it would be impossible to survive, right? Because we have a lot of, like for example, human beings and living things that need water to survive, right? It would happen, right? So now, guys, let's continue then. Let's continue in the next page. What do we have in the next page, guys?
Lithosphere.
Lithosphere, right? When we have the lithosphere, right? So, Andrea Monserrat, could you please read what we have here?
The solid rocky outer layer of Earth is the lithosphere. It contains rocks, solids, and minerals. It covers the entire surface of Earth and is made up of the continents, islands, and ocean floors.
Okay, so what can we find in the lithosphere?
Solid islands,
So,
minerals,
yeah,
rocks.
here's where we are stand, right? All the rocks we can find, right? And also we have, like, for example, volcanoes, right? Mountains, right?
Hills.
Yes, of course, right? All the earth or rocks that appear on earth, right? So now we're going to answer, right? Question. Okay,
Number
this
six
is
or
an
seven?
exercise. Number 7, because the number 6 is like an exercise of math, right? So, but let's answer number 7. Please, Gustavo, could you please read the instruction of number 7?
What is the distance from the bottom of the Mariana
Mr. Make it read.
to the surface?
We are not there. We are in number
Okay,
7.
Gustavo, number 7 about the little fear. That is the exercise we have.
If you use a hard-boiled egg as a model
Gustavo,
for air,
Gustavo, page 214, Gustavo.
I just told Mr.
Okay, could you please read again?
If you use a hard-boiled egg as a model for air, which part of the egg would represent a lithosphere?
Okay, so if you have an egg, right, like for example, right, which part would be the lithosphere of the egg, right?
The part of
Okay, Leticia, tell me.
Mr. How do you say cáscara?
The shell.
Caves. The shell is the
Okay,
is
the shell would be the lithosphere, right? Because it's when we can find, right, the solid part, right? The solid part.
The what, mister?
In this part, we have the continents, right? Islands, right? And ocean floors, right?
How do you say in English?
S H A double S.
Say, mister. No, pero no, don del tree. Oh, solo dígalo.
I'm going to spell this word. S H A and double L. The shell would be the lithosphere, right? Yes. So may we continue then?
Yes,
We know that
biosphere. Biosphere.
biosphere, right? So what can we find? What is missing, right? Listen, if we already have the water, right?
Yes.
No, we start with the gases, right? If we have the air, we have the gases, right? Also, we have the body waters, right? That is the oceans.
And we have the solid.
And we have also the rock and the solid part. What is missing on there? What is
Biosphere.
and what can we find in the biosphere?
Water, air, and light.
Water,
Living things.
living things, living things, right? And so I'm gonna ask for Angeles to read this part.
Biosphere. Living things can be found almost everywhere on Earth. The part of the Earth in which living things are found in the biosphere.
Biosphere, right? So in the biosphere is when we can find all the ecosystems that you can imagine. Do you remember what is an ecosystem? Do you?
Yes.
Yes.
Ecosistema.
Yes.
Ecosistema.
It's part in the on biosphere you can find a lot of ecosystems, right?
Yes.
An ecosystem is a place where organisms can survive, right? So now in the book, right, we have examples there. Yeah.
Yes.
Like for
Yes.
example, we have animals, human beings, and a lot of things, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now number 8. Hilary, could you please number 8? Hilary, in your book, could you please read?
What part of Earth allow organisms to live in areas like the one shown?
Okay, what you have in the picture? What you have in the picture? First, you have to search the picture. And tell me what you have in the
Lake.
picture.
A lake, mister.
You have a lake, right? So, which is the question?
Part of the air allow organisms to live in areas like the one shown.
Okay, so in which part of the air, right, allow this organism to live here? Which part of the earth allow organisms to live here?
The animals of the water.
Animals of the water.
Yes, but which part of the earth allows the organisms live here? Which part of the earth? Which part of this biosphere?
Hydrosphere.
The hydrosphere, right? The hydrosphere, right? So, water in the hydrosphere, right? Air in the atmosphere, right? And solid and shelter in the lithosphere, right? Because we have that, we know, right, that we have different organisms, right? We have different ecosystems, right? So, you finish?
Yeah.
Number 9. Let's finish with, okay, Gabriel, number 9. Could you please read number 9?
Identify what makes up the hydrosphere.
What makes up the hydrosphere? Which one? What the hydrosphere contains? Or which are the components of the hydrosphere? Someone?
Living things.
Living things.
Hydrosphere? In the hydrosphere? The living thing? What we can find in the hydrosphere, guys?
Oceans.
Okay, bodies of water. Bodies of water like rivers, lakes, oceans, right? You finish?
Yes.
When we say make up, right, it is what can we find there, right? So we have rivers, oceans, lake, and all the body waters we can find, right? So the last question, guys, in which question we finish, right? With the book. So, and we have to explain, right, in this question, how does life on Earth depend on the atmosphere? Why the atmosphere is really important on Earth?
Because we have oxygen.
Because it have oxygen.
Okay, good. Yes. And without oxygen, we can survive, right? So you have to write that. Write that, please. Because it contains, or we can find the oxygen, right? And without the oxygen, we can survive, right? You finish?
Yeah, mister.
Okay, we finished with this, guys. We finished with this part. Everybody answer what we have in the book. I want you to show me, please, what you have in the book. Everybody show me your book. Please. Everybody show me your book. Okay, I want to see if you answer. I want to see if you answer. Yes, good, Gustavo. Linis, show me. Kenneth, could you please show me? Kenneth, could you please show me your answer?
Because it has oxygen.
Okay, good. Hillary, could you please show me your books? I want to see if you were working. Show me your book. I want to see if you were working. Yes, good, Andrea Larissa. Hillary, show me your book. Just show me your book. Solo enséñame su libro. I want to see if you were working. Okay, Gustavo, show me your book. I want to see if you were working. Okay. Letty, good, Letty. Diego Amador, show me your book. Good. Khaled, show me your book. Good, Miguel Alejandro. Okay, good. Excellent. Christian, excellent. Christian, Gabriela. Maria Jose, good. Gabriela and Sebastian, show me your books, please. Did you finish all the answers? Did you complete the question? Good. Okay, excellent. Good, Sebastian. Let's listen. Carlos Trujillo and Diego Betancourt, please show me your books. Carlos Trujillo and Diego Betancourt, I want to see your books. I want to see if you were working. Show me the answers, Diego, please. Okay, so let's continue then, guys. Let's continue, right? So we have here a little exercise, right? Yes? Now, guys, you have to tell me, what does the atmosphere contains? You know this.
Yes. Thunders.
Mister, I know.
Thunders.
Okay, who
Yes.
said no? Who said I know?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me.
Nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, and water.
Okay, let's see if you're right. We have good, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water,
Water vapor.
and particles, right?
Particles.
Yeah.
What is there, Mister? What is particles?
Okay, when we say particles are little things that we have in water, right? That this
Yes.
part allows, right, the precipitation and snow and all of those things, right?
Mister,
Son
particles
partículas.
are particles.
Yes, of course. So, we will stop here, guys. We will stop here. So I hope you understand the class, right?
Mr. and just here.
Yes, of course. So you don't have homeworks? Okay, you have one homework?
Mister.
Yes, you have one homework of science, so you may start working in that homework, right?
What homework?
What, Mister? What homework?
In the agenda, you have the homework.
No, I don't have. En
I
el
don't
horario
have.
de tarea.
Yes.
Ah.
La de hacer un párrafo.
So we will stop here, guys, and I'm gonna.
Mister, the homework are in the platform.
No. Yes, 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 it is. But I think I sent you by email, right, with the schedule, right? And that is all, right? I'm gonna see you all at
What time, Mister?
9:20.
9:20 because we have reading class.